Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset an Opel Zafira. It's a 2009 model. When we turn the ignition on, an INSP indicator over here flashes. That stands for an inspection, oil change or some other stuff you need to check by the car. And I'm going to show you how you can reset that, how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. I have more than 200 other cars. You can view them on my channel. And any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition off. Then you have a button over here. This button. Press this button. Keep pressing that and turn the ignition on to the second position. You see this light flashing, and keep pressing that button till it stops flashing and this appears on the. When this appears, let go this button, turn off the ignition, turn the ignition on to check if it's okay. It stops flashing, then the indicator for the service has been reset. I hope you enjoyed that video. Did you enjoy? Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.